Hi, I am Candace Wurrly. I am Department Head of Compton Schools. I teach audio production. We just completed our first year using the Wurrly platform and 1500 curriculum. It's pretty flexible for anybody that's in the industry that can teach pretty much anyone from start to finish. We incorporate real-world experiences by having more guest speakers, more field trips where my students can actually get hands-on experience.
We don't believe in no alternate maximizer on the stereo bus because we don't even believe on stereo busing because everything is going to be squeezed into these two little channels right here.
Having guest speakers come in, hearing everything from your teacher can be repetitive, but if they hear it from, someone that is at the top of the food chain or in the music industry already, I think that would definitely influence kids, especially in South LA, to keep going and strive for more.